Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a handful of pocket knives to show you. These are all Forest Masters, and this one here, it's got the basic setup of a camping knife. This one needs to be reprofiled, the spear point blade there. These are all Colonials. Colonial Forest Masters. You know, and they got the basic can opener. Got the bottle opener with the screwdriver, and then you have the awl. This one's not in the greatest condition. Same thing with this one, same setup. Forest Master stainless, spear point blade, stainless, can opener, bottle opener, screwdriver, and then you got the awl and the imitation stag scales. This one's kind of neat. It's only 3 blades. There's no awl there, and it's got a clip point blade instead of the spear point blade, which is kind of neat. And then the other basics, you know, you got your can opener and your bottle opener with a screwdriver. And then we got this one. I think these scales are Delrin, Jig Delrin, I believe. And this one, I think it's missing something here. It looks a little odd there. I'm not sure. I was thinking all would be there, but it just, I don't know, something doesn't look right there. And then you have more of a sheep's foot looking blade here. And then the other basics. Forest Master. I just put a bunch of mineral oil on these things, so they're still needing some cleanup. And then we have this one here, plastic scales, Forest Master. It's probably the dirtiest one of them all. But you got the can opener, bottle opener. And you got a nice spear point. And you got Colonial down here on the tang. Still has a decent snap. And your awl. Marked USA down here. And there you have it. That's it, guys. Those are my Forest Masters. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.